In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DNS plus Cloudflare DNS. DNS is essentially the address book of the internet, translating website names into the numeric addresses your computer uses. Switching to a faster privacy-focused provider such as Cloudflare can speed up lookups and add a layer of security. Start by opening the control panel on your Windows computer. If you're in category view, click Network and Internet so we can get to the networking tools you need. From there, open Network and Sharing Center. This is where Windows lists your active connections and gives you direct access to their settings. On the right side of this window, look for the word Connections and click the link next to it. If you're plugged in, it will likely say Ethernet. If you're on wireless, you'll see Wi-Fi instead, and you can select that. A status window will pop up for your connection. Here, click Properties to view the components and protocols that connection is using. You may see an option labeled Delete Data. That typically clears cached or diagnostic information related to the adapter. The original guide calls for clicking it. If you do, be aware it won't remove your connection, but it may reset certain usage data. It's not usually necessary unless you're troubleshooting, so proceed only if you're comfortable, then continue. Back in the list of items, find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP4, and select it. Click Properties to open the IP settings. In the lower half of this window, select Use the following DNS server addresses. This lets you specify exactly which DNS service you want. To use Cloudflare DNS, enter 1.111 as the preferred DNS server and 1.8.1 as the alternate DNS server. These are Cloudflare's public DNS addresses, known for fast response times and a strong privacy stance. If you prefer to let your router or internet provider choose, you can switch back to obtain DNS server address automatically at any time. After entering the addresses, confirm your changes by clicking OK, then close the remaining windows. Your connection will use the new DNS settings right away. If a page doesn't load immediately, give it a moment or briefly disable and re-enable the connection to refresh. That's it. You've navigated from Control Panel to Network and Internet, opened Network and Sharing Center, selected your active connection, went into Properties, handled any optional data cleanup, chose TCP IPv4, enabled custom DNS, and set Cloudflare's servers. Enjoy quicker, more reliable lookups, and remember you can return here anytime to adjust or revert your DNS settings.